Hi guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto. I'm just going to show you today's install, which is on an Audi A4. This is our new range, which I'll show you what it also comes with, but we haven't installed it today. There's this button panel here, as you can see. It's got the hazard button, but also it works in conjunction with the original hazard button behind here, because the frame now actually sits in this one here. So they've made it now where you don't need an airbag cable. You don't need a hazard button, because obviously you usually want original around there, but you can put that button in. It does fit in down by the gear stick, but as I say, we haven't put that in today because obviously it's that there. So this is the original Audi screen, as you can see here. This obviously shows you a little speedometer. You can change that to kmph, which we'll do in a moment, but we'll just go over to the Android screen, which all you do is hold down the back button. This fits your 2G and 3G MMI cars, so if you haven't got the bigger loads of buttons down by the gear stick for the navigation and all that, then it also fits the low end cars. This is the aftermarket side here, which is the Android side, which is showing up. As you can see, it's nice and swift and responsive. I'm not going to go through too much on this video today because I do have the customer waiting for the car back, and I'll just show you a few little features. This is the CarPlay app, so obviously if you link your phone, your Apple phone, this is what you're going to do and get the CarPlay side of things. You can go to Android also if you got the Android phone. As you can see, this is basically just taking apps from my phone which I've linked today, just going back to there. So you got your navigation here, which obviously plays any navigation of choice. That's the one not factory put on there, but obviously we set it up for Google Maps. You can put Waze and all that type of stuff, music and video, so you can play your music through USB pen and here. As these systems tend to work in through the car's auxiliary or AMI port, so that's where you get your sound from. So you can see it works with the steering wheel controls, which I'm just basically lowering down. Again, videos too. So if you want to put your movies onto a pen drive, you can be old-fashioned and do it that way. And if you don't want to do anything like IPTV, as you can see, that's the movie working there. It's all HD, nice, lovely picture on there. Just go back here. As I say, there's your phone. But as I say, if you connect your phone through Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, you can then go over to this app. Sometimes you can just use Android, but if you're not using that, this one takes you back to the original screen. As you can see there, just press the touch screen, takes you back over. Weather app there, which is obviously nice. This is where we are. Not too sunny at the moment. Let's go over to here. There's your back end settings. If you're familiar with Android and stuff like that. Here's your app center, so this is where all your apps go into. Also, there's your Play Store icon there too. File manager, if you want to put any third-party apps on after, like IPTV. Dashboard there too. So if you put your foot down, you can see the revs going up and down. And okay, I'm just going to keep it short today, guys, because I say I do want to get the customer off because she's come a long way. So if you've got any questions, give us a shout. We'll put our contact details down below in the description, and the link to the product on the website. Okay, thanks a lot, bye bye.